Project SCOTTIE, an E.C.D Defender 110 designed for soft trails and daily drives. Under the hood, a LT1 V8 pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, responsive power at every turn. With Alcon high-performance brakes and E.C.D's air ride suspension, SCOTTIE moves with confidence. Finished in Porsche Chalk, contrasted by a Narvik Black roof and accents, the exterior strikes a balance between subtle presence and rugged capability. Kahn 18-inch wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, anchor its stance, while the full external roll cage, Expedition roof rack, and worn-ready utility features signal that this Defender is true to its nature. From the KBX air intakes to the black metal Optimil details, every element has been hand-selected. Up front, Hella LED lighting cuts through the dark, while rear work lights ensure the journey doesn't end when the sun goes down. Inside, the cabin is tailored for both utility and comfort. Corbeau sports seats wrapped in black leather, a custom center console with rear AC complements the flexible seating that make room for gear, passengers, and whatever the next trip demands. From its upgraded drivetrain to its expedition-ready details, every inch of this build serves a purpose.